My nephew rescued this vintage cedar chest from the landfill. We're so excited to get started. It needs a lot of work, but we're so ready for it. We know that we're gonna have to wipe it down really good, clean it, disinfect it, and get the sander out. There's definitely areas where the veneer is buckled, and we just wanna make sure that we flatten it out. We're not gonna go crazy because we have some ideas and a process. So don't go away, wait till you see the end result. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fill that original key area with a dowel. We're gonna cut it out, we're gonna use some glue and putty, and that's gonna do the trick. We put some putty on the top where it just needed a little extra something. Again, not going crazy because we have an idea for the top as well. Next step is deciding what the design was gonna be. We're gonna use our vintage inspired decoupage paper for this project. We think it's the perfect fit. We're gonna use water-based poly and a synthetic brush to apply the paper. Put the poly all over the paper, let it sit till it's fully dry, then go in and add your colors to blend the paper. The putty knife came out because we really wanted that added texture all over. We want to replicate the paper we're using on the front, but we want to have an organic feel to the top to match it. So we went in and used a lot of different paint pours to capture extra color. Then we took out our molds and our resin material because we wanted to add some raised texture with some floral molds. We waited for it to dry, we added some E600 and we placed it in the areas that we wanted. But we wanted to make sure it all blended, so we got the brush out and dry brush to really get into the crevices. And this is the furniture makeover result.